Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable Passkey on BingX. To enable Passkey on BingX, open your BingX application and log into your account. After you're inside the homepage of BingX, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now on the next page, scroll down under Settings and tap on Security Center. Inside Security Center, look for Passkeys option under Advanced Settings and tap on it. To enable Passkey, tap on the Enable button and then select one of the verification options before setting passkeys. You can choose Google Authenticator, email or phone option. I'm gonna choose phone option in the pop-up. After choosing phone option, go ahead and select your country code and type down a phone number in the text box and tap on link. After you do that, in the pop-up box, you'll need to go ahead and verify your phone number and email. Tap the Get Code button on either side of the boxes and complete the puzzle. Now enter the SMS code as well as the email code that you received, and once you do that, click on OK. After you've linked your phone number, you can now enable the Passkey option easily. Enter your SMS code by tapping on Get Code again. Enter your SMS code and then email code in the text box that you received, and after doing so, click OK, and you can then tap on the Continue button and scan your Face ID or your Touch ID, and this will be able to turn on passkeys or enable Passkey on BingX. That is how you will be able to enable Passkey on your BingX account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.